thank you for coming out today. We're really excited to share this experience with you guys. Very special to be able to drive on a beach in the state of California.
Right here as we break off, we're gonna do that 20-second air down in each tire. If you got passengers.
This is the only beach in the state where you can legally drive on the beach.
We're on 3. Alrighty, everybody. So we are about to get going on to the next leg of our journey. The next stop will be the car wash to an extent.
So you came here with a boyfriend and you left with a fiance? I did. The guys are gonna get married. It happened at Subaru Base Camp.
Subaru owners, welcome. How we doing? Wow, like this is amazing. This is our first time doing base camp like this. You guys are part of something completely new that Subaru's never done before. So excited for you to be here. Thank you for coming all this way. Thank you for being Subaru owners. You guys are what makes the brand so different. You bring a different vibe, a different energy, a different presence than any other car company. So thank you. We are doing this for you because we love you and you're part of something so amazing. So let's do this.
Hee-haw, yeah.
Inhale, bring you up in center. Inhale, sweep out and up. Exhale. One more, just like grounded.
You guys. So this is always about you guys, never about me.
Focus on travel. That's not too out there.
The other thing with the wilderness models, the gearing is that you have more torque.
That's one thing that nobody really gets until they get a Subaru is the community. Like you're already in. Like you have a Subaru, let me see your key fob. All right, cool, you're brother, it's funny. So just the community and sharing that common bond with everybody, camping. And it doesn't matter what style of camping you are, as long as you're out here doing it, that's, puts a smile on everyone's face. So that's been my biggest thing, just being with my people.
Thank you.